No! Hi guys, I'm back to another video. At ngayong araw, ang lalaroin natin ay medyo luma na to, pero subukan natin laruin to. Ang pangalan ng game, Ghostbumps Night Upstairs. Simulan na natin. Tap or highlight footsteps to move. Okay.
Hello? Hey, come over here. Quick, there's not much time.
Okay. Tapos,
Psst. Come a little closer, said the Smith Corona typewriter to the stranger.
ganun ba?
I'm R.L. Steinwriter. I'm a writer. Darn it. I'm a typewriter. I'm a Stein. Just R.L. Stein, a writer. I wrote Goosebumps, you know. Over 400 million in print worldwide.
Okay.
Never mind that for now. Something has... Writer's block. So
Okay.
horrible. I need ink. Look under me. The drawer. Help.
Parang mamamatay ka na. Saan? Okay. Tapos, next?
Oh my goodness. Phew. Wow, much better. Okay, listen.
Ano yun?
No. Hide quickly under the desk.
Okay, dito. Okay. So... No!
Oh my goodness. Phew. Wow, much better. Okay, listen. Oh no. Hide quickly under the desk.
Ito ba? So magkatago. So ganun. Di ko agad napansin yun.
The books. The Goosebumps. Just one won't do. This one's always good for a scare.
So ano next natin gagawin? Up to nito, lalabas tayo nito.
Slappy, released. He must be stopped. You have got to stop him. First, I need you to find a book. It's called Night of the Living Dummy. Okay, now all you have to do is... something's wrong.
Find a
The book is
page
missing some
near
pages.
the fireplace.
Maybe they're over there by the
So,
fireplace.
ang kailangan natin ay 3. Okay? Tapos, saan tayo? Dito tayo. Tapos, saan? Saan? Ito.
You will need 2 more pages. It's somewhere inside this house. You need a key to get out of the study. It's behind the blue books by the door. Unless you can see in the dark, I suggest turning on the lights. The light switch is next to the door.
So, kailangan natin ng susi, no? Saan tayo makakuha ng susi? Dito ba? Ito.
Great. Now just gather up the rest of the pages. I don't want to scare you, but if you see or hear anything strange, hide. That's a graveyard ghoul. Slow, not too smart. Just keep a little ahead of her. If she traps you, try and hide.
May nararamdaman ako. May narinig ako. Ano yun? May narinig. Sabi na. Nakatakot. Kailangan natin magtago. Kailangan natin mabuo yung 3 pages. Umalis ka na. Ha? Paano niya? Naisara yun.
Don't go downstairs yet. It's too dangerous.
Baka kasi natiyam pa siya eh. Parang best dyan, no? Ayun. Tapos, dito tayo.
You've completed the book. Now find Slappy and open the book on him.
Kaya ako magtago.
Just make sure the lights are on when you go into Slappy. Stein. Here's Slappy.
Ano?
You're gonna try. That's not
Sa wakas.
No!
Hindi ka na makakawala. Finally, you win. And Twist slammed the book shut, trapping Slad forever and sent them back into a writer. The Twist went away, somewhere safe and far away. The end. Ah. Okay. Chapter 2, okay?
What's the matter? I thought we were gonna be buddies.
Wala ka pa dun?
Don't panic, don't panic. Best to trap him again. Wait a minute, there's even more pages now. I hope you can find your way downstairs.
Meron pa. Eh. Ito yung pinakaayaw ko eh. I think guys, hanggang dito muna tayo. At don't worry, magkakaroon tayo ng part 2 dito. Imposible naman na hindi tayo nakita neto. So guys, hanggang dito muna tayo. Paalam at ingat.